This is a review for the manual, which is then not present in many of the cases for Onida microwave. And this is the very first page, and I'll show you, and I'll also share the link, or you can share me the mail IDs. I'll forward it as and when, or you can just go through this video. I'll go slowly, so you can pause and see or take printouts, whatever you want. This is the first page. Now let's go to the starting of it. This is the content. Now let's go to the second page. The fourth and fifth page. Sixth and seventh page. Eighth and ninth. 10th and 11th page. 12th, 13th page. 14th and 15th page. 16th, 17th page about cleaning and care and auto cook options. I'll zoom that for you. Eighteen, 19 page. It has given the configurations, specifications which it has. It's 20 liters. These are the warranty terms and conditions. There's the warranty card. Although you need the original bill, that is the most important. These things don't take care much. But if you have this warranty card filled, that is a good option. These are the contact numbers. Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chandigarh, Delhi, Gujarat, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, and please watch this video in high definition so that you can see properly what all is there. And that's the end. Thanks friend. Please subscribe, and any other issues just let me know or write in the comment. I'll try to resolve it. Thank you.